Hello everyone, so you have an issue with your Amazon account and you want to be able to contact Amazon's support team or customer service team for them to solve this problem for you. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you contact Amazon. Just follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, of course. And from there, let's go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top and search for Amazon. So basically, we need to go ahead and find Amazon in your store and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this tutorial. So go ahead and update your app and follow up with me. Now, finally, go ahead and open Amazon. Wait for the app to fully load up. And once it does, what you need to do from here is go ahead and tap on this avatar icon in the bottom right here. Once you tap there, wait for the next page to fully load up. You will get lots of options and basically settings. From here you need to go ahead and tap on your account at the top part of the screen. Once you do that, will be taken here. Just tap on contact us right here under customer service. Now from here, go ahead and tap on the category that suits best your issue or problem on Amazon. I'm gonna choose this one, login and security. And from here, tap on one of these options again that popped up to you after deciding. And then from here, always tap on I need help or I need more help. Once you tap on I need more help, you'll be taken to this page. You can choose what to contact them or how can you contact them using live chat or a phone call. I'm gonna choose the chat in the top right here. Wait for a couple of seconds, you'll get an agent and you can contact them to solve your problem from here. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave any questions you have in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. Please subscribe and thank you very much for watching.